Hello, everybody. My name is Ashutosh Bishnoi. I am Managing Director and CEO of the Mahindra Manulife Investments Private Limited. We are actually the managers to the Mahindra Manulife Mutual Fund in India. We started a business 4 years ago, actually, in July of 2016 as Mahindra Mutual Fund. It was then a fully owned subsidiary of Mahindra Finance, a very large NBFC in India. And the unique thing about Mahindra Finance is that it does business in about 1,500 cities in India and over 350,000 villages. So it's one of the few NBFCs that lends money to people. Primary business is to buy for the purchase of automotive products. And it has been doing this successfully over 25 years. And it's a very, very large operation. We actually are a subsidiary of that. We started as that, and then we started to expand very fast and establish our own offices in now currently at 60 locations in India, where we have our own people. And then we 1 year ago we signed a tie-up with the Manulife of Canada. Manulife is actually a Canadian company which is known in the United States as John Hancock, excuse me, and it manages approximately 1 trillion Canadian dollars worth of business, which should translate roughly at about 830 or 840 billion dollars worth of assets under management. A very large operation, extremely large in Hong Kong, Asia, Singapore, Manila, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, many Indian Asian operations, including in China. India has been, in fact, a very recent entry for Manulife. They've partnered with us. Manulife's core expertise is in fund management only. They don't do much else. They're not a bank, they're not a broker or any other kind of operation. And that's a specialty. And they've been doing this for about 150 years, if you include the John Hancock operation of the US. And therefore, we make a great partnership between us where Manulife brings in the fund management expertise, a process driven fund management, which they do very well. And we bring in the local product expertise, customer insight, the distribution, the compliance, and the operations of the business. So in this partnership now, Manulife owns 49% of our business and Mahindra's own 51%. We rapidly grew. In fact, we are the fastest growing asset management operation or a fastest growing mutual fund, if you like. We currently manage over 5,000 crores. We have 14 funds, out of which 8 funds are equities. And out of our 8 funds, at least 4 of them are, for the last 1 year, performance is in the top quartile. And of course, since market has cycles, you can't always have all your funds in the top quartile because some of them, they are differently configured. But at any point in time, 4 of our funds are always in top quartile. So investors make a reasonable amount of return, both in equities as well as in the debt side. We have actually managed the debt side extremely well. And in spite of the debt market going through troubled times over the last couple of years, we are one of the few asset managers who didn't get into any trouble at all because we never held in our portfolios any of the problematic securities. We steered clear of those. So we take a lot of effort to ensure that people, when they give us money, we take proper and good care of it. The biggest crime in our business is to have permanent loss of capital of the investor. And that is the one thing we are committed to not allow to happen in our funds. We believe you earn your money hard, and we should work hard to make sure that you don't lose it. And we try to make some money on that for you. That's a background. Uh, Soon we will be offering our products via Grow, and I'd like to welcome all of you to take advantage of this opportunity and invest your money wisely, because times are not exactly easy. We know that. And when times get tough, you do need that extra income, which you can probably generate for yourself via a wise investment. So I welcome you all to, to use our expertise at Mahindra Manulife Mutual Fund. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.